Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and if you are a Dooninista, you know where this box is from. So first I want to share the nail polish that I am wearing today. In prior videos, several of you asked me what color nail polish I'm wearing. So the nail color that I am wearing is the Wet n Wild Mega Last in the color I Moss Habit. So this is a beautiful, beautiful shade of green, kind of a mossy feel to it with some gold specks. Absolutely love it. I just recently cut my nails back because they were getting a little too long, and as you can see, it is a beautiful, beautiful shade of green and perfect for the upcoming season. So anyway, if you are interested in the unboxing, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. So this item or items are not anything new in my collection. If you saw my video from a couple of weeks ago, you may know what this is. I purchased a couple back then and I absolutely fell in love. So let's just see. One of these colors I don't own. I think it's a fairly new color. So I'm kind of excited to be able to see how it looks versus being shown online. So let's see. And then here is what I picked up. So let's just take them out of the box. See what I have. So here we go. So basically, I picked up two of the Tatum wristlets in the pebbled leather in the color, this one is, I believe, chocolate brown. If you saw my prior videos, you know that I picked up the wine and the elephant. So let's just see, here we are, and this is the chocolate brown, and this is a really, really pretty, deep, dark chocolate brown. You guys, I have absolutely fell in love with these little wallets, and I don't really use them as full-size wallets. I use them as more of a grab-and-go wristlet type wallet. So I don't know if the color is coming true or not, but it is a dark, deep chocolate brown. It does have a tassel pull in the beautiful Sierra leather, and it also has a wristlet strap as well. So absolutely beautiful. So the next color that I picked up, I mentioned, was a newer color, and I think this one is called Saffron. Not quite sure why it's called Saffron, because from what I know of saffron, saffron is like a yellow orange, or more on the orangey side. Here is the Saffron. Very beautiful shade of yellow. It almost is like a mustard color. So this is exactly what I wanted to add to my other Tatums. This one also has the Sierra leather trim as well as a wristlet strap. Wow, you guys, this color is beautiful. And if you have not checked out the unboxing of my other Tatums, as well as a what fits in my Tatum, I will put a link below so you can check out that video to see how I organized one of my other Tatums. So here is the Saffron. Here is the dark brown. Here is the wine. And here is the elephant. So I just wanted just an array of different colors, some neutrals, some darks, and some pops of color. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.